Welcome to our channel. Today, we're comparing the Canon EOS R100 Pro and the Canon EOS R100 Lite. Let's find out which one suits your photography needs better. Let's start with the price. The R100 Pro is priced at $829, making it a bit of an investment. Reviewers appreciate the quality it offers for that price, noting that it delivers excellent picture quality and is great for serious photography. Meanwhile, the R100 Lite is priced at $479. Customers rave about its affordability, making it perfect for beginners or casual photographers who want to capture family moments without breaking the bank. The Lite is often recommended for those looking for a solid camera at a more accessible price point. Next, let's talk about size and weight. Both cameras are compact and lightweight, making them easy to carry for long shoots. Reviewers love that the R100 Pro and Lite are portable and fit comfortably in bags, which is essential for photographers on the go. The Pro is noted for its sturdiness, while the Lite is appreciated for its ease of use, especially for newcomers to photography. Now onto image quality. Both the R100 Pro and Lite boast a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor and the DIGIC-8 processor. Users from both sides commend the cameras for producing stunning images. The Pro is highlighted for its superior performance in low-light situations, while the Lite is praised for its clarity and ability to capture beautiful family photos. Reviewers suggest that both cameras are excellent choices, but the Pro may be more suited for those looking to take their photography to the next level. Next, we have autofocus. Both cameras feature dual-pixel CMOS AF with up to 143 zones. Reviewers have mentioned that the focus is fast and reliable in both models. The Pro is often seen as slightly better at maintaining focus during fast-moving subjects, while the Lite is favored for its ease of use for beginners who may not need all the advanced settings. Both cameras ensure you won't miss those precious moments. Lastly, let's discuss continuous capture. Both models can shoot up to 6.5 frames per second. Customers appreciate this feature for capturing action shots, whether it's kids playing or pets frolicking. The Pro is noted for its ability to handle fast-paced scenarios with ease, while the Lite provides a reliable option for casual photographers looking to snap quick memories without hassle. Overall, both the Canon EOS R100 Pro and Lite have garnered positive reviews. The R100 Pro is often praised for its superior image quality and performance, making it ideal for serious photographers. Meanwhile, the R100 Lite is celebrated for its affordability and user-friendly features, perfect for beginners and casual use. Both cameras have their strengths, catering to different types of users. Thanks for tuning in. Which camera do you prefer? The Canon EOS R100 Pro or the R100 Lite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description.